Hello and welcome to This and That. Today we're going to be taking a look at my new Autumn Beetles nail polishes. I've gone for the Cozy Campfire and Hocus Pocus. The Cozy Campfire is a set of 20 with the usual set of 3 base coat, top coat and matte top coat included. And the Hocus Pocus is a set of 6. Comprising of 2 neon colours, the orange and the green. Today I have actually already swatched them, so we're going to be doing something a little bit different because we all buy these sets and we all have ones in there that we think, am I really ever going to wear that? So today I'm going to just put something a little extra on top, just so that for me I can take it from something that I might not wear to something that I will wear. So I'm just hoping to show you that even if you do buy these sets, that you can still adjust the colours and make them how you like them. So let's get the swatches and we'll be right back. So the first one we have for this set is A95, and this is the colour with 2 coats on the swatch. It's not a particular colour that I would naturally wear, as I said before. Today we're going to show you how to change them. So we now have this one, sorry I'm not the camera. We now have this one, which is the A95 and A104 on top of it, which is also from this set, and it actually makes a really nice colour. This one I would definitely wear. The next one to our set is A96, which is this colour, and this is it swatched with 2 coats. It's actually a really nice colour. I quite like this one, but I have altered it, and on top of this one I've done this, and what I've used on this one is number 424, and this is actually from a nail tip starter set, and that's the colour. And get it lid back on. But let's say, for those of you who don't want to wear that colour, just to show you that you can very easily change it. The next one to our set is number 97, which is this colour. And number 97 is this, which is actually a lovely colour, really really nice. And on top of this one I've changed it. I've actually put an iridescent jelly on from Beetles, which is number 821, which is this colour. I can do it. So it looks quite bright, but put it on top of the other one, it's actually made it, just show you again, a really nice colour. I'd be happy to wear either of these. You can just see the iridescent glowing in it. The next one to the set is number 98. I'll give up saying A because they all start with A, but this is 98. Again, it's a really really lovely colour, really really nice. And on top of this one I've put the Beetles matte coat, which I don't normally use, but I do actually quite like this one as a matte, so we've done a matte on that one. The next one to the set is number 99, and for this one we're going into the Christmas colours just to see us through. It's actually quite a nice orangey red, a really really lovely colour again, and that's 2 coats. And the next one is 100, which is this colour. It looks quite brown on the lid, but when you actually paint it on you can see it's actually a really nice colour. Actually looks nicer than the swatch does on the bottle. So lovely, lovely colour. The next one in the set is 101. Again, looks a little bit brown on the bottle, but when you swatch it, it is a lovely colour. Really nice. I'll definitely be wearing that one over winter. The next one on the list, or rather in the packet, is 102, which again looks absolutely lovely, and when you swatch it, it really is lovely. This one I've done a 1 coat and a 2 coat, so you can see the difference. If you want to do 1 coat over the top of one of the other reds, it will look fab, it will look really nice, but on the 2 coats it does give you that depth of colour. The next one to the set is 103, a glitter orange. And on this one I've done the same, I've done a 1 coat and a 2 coat. So here's the 1 coat and there's the 2. Again, just the 1 coat will be lovely over one of the other colours. It's absolutely, the 2 coats, I love this one. Not normally a colour I would wear orange, but I absolutely love this. The next one to the set is 104, a gold glitter. And this one, again, I've done 1 coat and a 2 coat, so you can see the difference. Again, beautiful colours, be great at Christmas. And the next one on the list, we're going into the greens, and this is much more of an olive colour, 105. And 2 coats of 105 is this. I found that 1 coat didn't cover that well on this colour. I mean, Beetles usually are pretty good, and a lot of them will just need the 1 coat, but I did find that this one needed 2 coats to get the best colour. And then again, we're going into the Christmas, 106, which is this colour, the green. Lovely depth of colour on it. Be great over Christmas. And that's 106. Our next one in the set is 107, and it doesn't look that on the bottle, but it really is a lovely colour. It's beautiful. And on top of this one, I've put some glitter. There they are both together. And the glitter I've used on this one is number 129, and that's from the Alluring Sweetie collection. This one I think is going to be one of my favourites. Beautiful colour. The next one again is a really nice colour. Very nice. This is 108 to the set, and we're going much more into the wine colours. And on top of this one, I've put an iridescent jelly from Beetles, which is number 822 from the iridescent collection. Beetles iridescent jelly, number 828 from the set. So that one has gone over the top of this one and made this colour. It's lightened it off, but it's made it a beautiful colour. Really nice. So this set does come in the Beetles plastic container that holds them all together, and they are the colours. And at the front you have the base coat, your top coat, and your matte top coat, which are all 7.5mm. Right, the next set we're going to be doing is the other autumn collection one that I've got, which is the Hocus Pocus set, which includes 6 polishes. Right, this set is Hocus Pocus, and the first one from this set is a glitter black, and it's number 345. And here it is. Just see it picking up the glitter. That's 345 to the Hocus Pocus set. The next one in the set is a purple, and it's 346. And here we have 346. This one will actually be really nice with the glitter over the top of it. May well be my next polish, that one. And the next one is the first of our 2 neon colours. We have the green, which is 347, which is this one. And as it's not something we would wear all the time, of course, I have just put some glitter over the top of it to show you the difference, and it does make it totally wearable. And over the top of this one, I've put the Beetles 129 that we've used before from the Alluring Sweetie set. It does make it so you can wear it all the time rather than just Halloween. The next one for the set is the other neon colour, which is an orange, 348. And there we have it. That's the neon orange. And over the top of this one, makes it a little bit darker. It does make it very, very nice. We've put the one from the last set that we used from the Cozy Campfire set, which is the orange 103. So we've put this one over the top. And I'll just insert a picture now for you of the green and the neon orange under the lamp, just so you can see how they reflect with the UV light on them. The next one to this set is 349. Again, a lovely colour, coats really well, lovely depth of colour. You'll see us right through Christmas and winter, this one. Very nice colour. And the last one is 350, which is actually fairly similar to 103 from the last set. It is a little bit darker, a little bit more glittering, I think, but it is a very similar colour. This is the one with 1 coat on. Just put the bottle down. And this is with the 2 coats. And it's a lovely colour. So thank you for watching. We are going to be swatching some more Beetles sets, so please keep an eye open for that. We have done one already, which I'll try and put the link on at the end, but as I'm fairly new to this, I'm not 100% sure that I know what I'm doing, but we will give it a go and see if we can do it. Take care of each other, and we'll see you soon.